Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to sketch. So this lesson I'm just going to be sharing with you how to draw this little cute little teddy bear holding a cookie that he took a bite out of. As you're watching me sketch, as you can see, it's very light in the very beginning, and then I get some more detail later on as I develop the character. If I'm doing the basic shape, those crosshairs are just to help me to know where the nose and eyes and mouth are. And yes, the cookie is in his belly right there. He's holding on the outside. He's going to have a little face. That's why I got the crosshair. There's one of the legs and the tail I just put on there. And I get the arm. This is just a basic shape. And let me just make a little side note. This is not the very first time doing this one. I did several different ones before doing this video just to give me a foundation. So when I'm drawing it, I'm actually looking at a final model drawing that I did prior to this lesson. And that does help. Again, that's the key about sketching. All right, so here comes one eye. And I'm going to put the other eye over on the other side. Very light. Very light. And I'm thinking that pencil lead, I got the wrong one. I actually got an HB. I should have had not the B. I think it's too soft. Okay, there's that mouth. Little straight line there. Going to make him like a little smirk. Top of his head, his ears there. It's the shape I'm just carving out, and this is nowhere complete. Even when I finish this at the very end, I would take it and make it a lot tighter. And I'll come back and clean up the line all the way through there. And this sketch took me about a little over 5 minutes, I believe, to do. And now when I'm finishing it up, when I clean it up, that could take me maybe 10 or 15 minutes, a lot longer. And of course, inking and coloring it in even longer on top of that. And that pencil's acting funny on me right now. And I think it's because it's the letter B for bear. No. All right, yeah. Let's get the little eyes in there for the cookie. All right. And it's getting a little too sharp. Yeah, I can feel that right now. Yeah, that's not the weight that I like of that pencil right now. Acting kind of funny. And it looks like a little soft. I'm smudging it right now. All right. I think I just have the wrong lead. I'm just going to continue with it. Let's see if we can finish this little video up. So different leads are for different purposes. Normally I like to sketch with more of an HB. That's like a number 2 pencil standard, that weight on there. But you can choose whatever you feel comfortable with, all different leads. All right, so and the reason I like to sketch, again, let me just share this also. Here's a bite of the cookie first. I gotta get that top there. Okay. The reason to sketch is like a dying art. A lot of people aren't teaching the practical part of sketching, and this is helping you to get your ideas down. And if you don't like it, you take another piece of paper, or within the same paper there, you can draw that character, a little shape, or play around with it. The classic Disney animators and illustrators of the golden years of comics and animation all did traditional animation as well. Like I say, is they sketched and sketched and sketched. I see a lot of videos right now that they're not teaching that, and that's not the practical way of learning how to draw. Been doing it over 40 years now. That's right, 40. Can't believe that. So here's the eyebrow on the top there, and the other one on the other side. All right, let's put some eyebrows on the little bear and the cookie there. That gives some expression. I'm going to angle this one a little bit lower on the eye, give some little expression. All right, yeah, a little bit more detail. Yeah, I got to finish that leg on the other side, give it more three-dimensional, like he's hugging that cookie. All right, yeah, as you can see, this is really sketchy, really sketchy in my opinion. It's not tight line, not ready to clean up or to draw. Not draw, to color it in. I have to redraw it. Take it to my light box, put a paper over, and do a tight drawing on it. Or if I take it on my computer, do the same thing. And I can ink it and then color it on there. All right. Yeah, I think we're done. All right, let's sign and date it. As always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website, That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop by our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.